Now my friend William is going to help me with pets and funny things that pets do. Do you have any pets, William?
Yes.
What kind of pets do you have?
Puppy!
Puppies. Are they beautiful?
Yes.
Yeah, do you like your puppies?
Yes.
Yeah? Are they funny?
Yes.
P-E-T spells?
Pet.
Pet. And what are they? They're fish?
That's a puppy, I said.
Stephanie, what's a good pet?
Cat.
A cat is a good pet. What kind of pet do you have?
Bug.
You have a bug? What do you think, Christopher? Is a bumblebee a good pet?
No.
No? Pets. Pets. Doobie and Doobop. Pets. Oh. Bees. I don't like bees. Get away. Get away. Get away.
Kids English School.
Kids